Hello everybody, this is me Kate here and I welcome you to another episode of our tutorial videos. And in this video I'm going to show you some simple steps on how you can simply sign into your Xbox account on your desktop. So let's get with the video. I'm on the web page of Xbox account. So for that, simply open any web browser on your desktop that you have or you are comfortable, and then on the URL you have to type xbox.com and then search for it. After that you will be directed to the web page as you can see on the screen. And now what you have to do is, on your screen at the top right hand corner you will see sign in up along with the card option. So make sure to click on this sign in option right here. After that you have to provide your Microsoft email that you have used while creating your Microsoft account. So go ahead and type your email. After that again click on this next option right here. After that you will get a one-time login code to your email. So make sure to check your email and then type the code here. After that click on this sign in option right here. If you want to stay signed in for the next time so that you don't have to type your password again, simply click on yes option. Or if you don't want that, you can also go ahead and click on this no option right here. Here I'm going with this yes. And in this way you are now logged into your Xbox account. You can see your profile right here at the top right hand corner with multiple other options as you can see. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to the channel and if you like our video, please make sure to subscribe our channel, like our video, hit the bell icon, and you will get updates with more upcoming tutorial videos. And thank you for watching till the end. We will see you on next video.